Good morning, guys, girls, ladies, gentlemen. How we doing? It is Monday, March 1st. March 1st, which is nuts to me. The year's just flying by. So check this out. This is I'm in Canvas. This is our weekly review. You can see what we have going on. So here's our resources. You'll have this video here. The weekly slide deck, which we have, which you guys always access, will be here for you. This is our what are you working on and end of the week reflection. Get back to this in just a second. Here's what we have going on this week. These are things that you will be responsible for turning in. Okay. The CRAAP, yes, I'm going to call it the CRAP method because that's, basically this is a way of identifying whether a source is reliable, legitimate, that sort of thing. Okay. And I will get specifically into this in another video, which will be linked into here. So I'm going to have little mini videos for each one of these type of things. Okay. So there's a slideshow. You're going to take notes on the slideshow. You've done this kind of stuff before. Nothing new there. Evaluating sources practice. So this is Tuesday. This will be Wednesday, evaluating sources practice. This is actually tied directly to this. Okay, these go hand in hand, but you need to get through these slides and notes before you can do this work. We'll do a quick write on, this is Thursday, and amendment practice. Remember, we had amendment practice for 1 and 2, talking about the Bill of Rights and that sort of thing. A couple weeks ago, I want to refresh into that because we always want to keep that stuff in the back of our minds as we go through this. We're never too far away from the social studies aspect, even though we've been focusing on the English aspect a little bit. We'll have a quizzes, which is, if you haven't done quizzes before, it's sort of Kahoot, sort of Quizlet. They're all the same type of things. This is related to the evaluating sources. So we're looking at these on Thursday, maybe Friday for the quizzes. And then Friday, we wrap up the week. What are you working on? Reflection, which you have a link to up here because you're going to be asked to kind of update it every day at the beginning of class. And a grade check. You'll have your grades from each class that you're responsible for getting in and checking and looking at. Okay, so that's what it looks like in Canvas. Here's our weekly slideshow. Our learning target is still describe and evaluate the arguments and specific claims in a text, assess whether the reasoning is sound, the evidence is relevant and sufficient, sound, relevant, sufficient. We've heard those words a lot. And then recognizing irrelevant evidence when it's introduced, if it's introduced. So things that don't fit. Okay, so that's our main target for the week. There it is again. Okay, so Tuesday, start out with the what are you working on reflection. We'll have a little bit of reading time and then the time to look at the evaluating source CRAP method slides and take notes on that. Wednesday, the practice of evaluating sources, reading time if you finish. Thursday, quick write based on the reading that we did Tuesday and Wednesday in your books. Okay, so quick write there. Amendment practice number 3 on Thursday. And then Friday, wrap up the week. Okay, so we'll be doing a review of RI 8.1, the mid-assessment that you guys did last week. We'll do this on Friday, kind of look at not your examples, but other examples that we created of good ones, okay ones, and poor ones, and how we can get better at that. You'll do your grade check, and this will be your weekly reflection, a grade check and reflection, which I have for you. And then this is all the stuff we need to make sure you submit. Don't forget your Lexia. Again, you have time set aside each day for Lexia time. If you're an AM person, you have it in the afternoon. If you're a PM person, you have it in the morning. School days are not half days. School days are full days. You need to keep hearing this. People need to keep hearing this. School days are full days. Whether you're in the building or not doesn't mean that you're done. Okay, so you got Lexia time, you got homework time, you got extension time. Okay, that's what the week looks like. All right, I'm looking forward to it. Should be a good one, and I will see you all soon. Bye.